Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can get a 5,000 free free account that you can use to start trading with without having to make deposit of your own. Now all you have to do is just follow me to the end of the video so you don't miss out. Now a lot of withdrawal proof have been coming in from the no deposit bonuses that I've been posting on this channel. As you can see right showing on the screen, these are lots of withdrawal proof that we've been getting, which is very beautiful that you all are able to make withdrawals from the videos that I've been dropping. Now in this video I'll be showing you how you can claim a $5,000 free funded account that you can use to start trading without having to make deposit of your own. All you have to do is just follow me through the step-by-step guide on how you can get this particular account. Now for you to get the link to this particular account, all you have to do is just click on the link that will bring you right to my Telegram channel. It will be in the description of this video to bring you right to this Telegram channel. And after getting to my Telegram channel, all you have to do is just click on join. You have to join the channel because in this channel I give them updates about any videos that I've been dropping before I post them on YouTube, so they are able to prepare and get ready so they don't get to miss any opportunity coming their way. So now you have to join this channel so you don't miss out. Now once you join all you have to do is just click on the link that will bring you right to the interface. Then you have to create an account with them. Now the first thing you want to do now is to open an account with them on this particular platform. You want to open an account with them on this particular platform. Now what you are going to do next is to click on this right here. You click on this FX to get started with getting the account. Click, then after that all you have to do right here is to click on sign up for free right here. This is where you're going to sign up and register an account with them. So you're going to click on it and it will bring you right to the interface where you have to create an account with them. This is basically all you need to do to create an account. So fill in the details and click on create account. As you can see right showing on the screen, account has been created successfully, as you can see. So all you have to do is just go to login, then you can log into your dashboard. So I'm just going to click on go to login right here. Then you go ahead and put in your details that you used to register an account with them and click on sign in. So you click on sign in. Now if you're having issues with logging into your dashboard, all you have to do is just click on reset password here and put in the email that you used to register, and they'll be sending a link to you. Now showing on the screen is the message I got from them. As you can see, all you have to do is just reset on password. You click reset password, click on reset password, and you'll be able to log into your dashboard. As you can see right here, update your password. This is me after I already logged into my dashboard, as you can see right showing on the screen. So the next thing you want to do now is to come here to the menu button, then you click on rewards. You click on rewards, and this is what you have showing on the screen. And as you can see on this platform, you have to complete tasks to get started. So you're going to click on get started right showing on the screen, and this is what you have showing on the screen. Now all you have to do is just complete the tasks here. The point to be claimed is 6,450. These are the points that you need to claim to get started on this particular platform. Now to be able to get this particular point, all you are going to do now is to do all these tasks. Now if you follow them on X, you'll be getting 30 points right here. You'll be getting 30 points. Then you follow them on Instagram, you also be getting 30 points. So basically all you need to do is just go up with this task, follow up with this task, do everything. As you can see, once you are able to complete this task, you click on next, then you'll be able to get on. Now this particular account is going to be on till 1st of January 2027. It's going to be available till next year, so you can take your time to complete the task right showing on the screen. Now I hope you have been able to get one or two from this video. Very simple. All you have to do is just create an account with them. As you create an account, go ahead and do the task on this particular platform. Then you can go ahead and request for your account, your 5,500 account, and get started with trading seamlessly. Now this is all you need to know concerning this platform. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and most importantly, you subscribe on this channel so you don't miss out, and also turn the notification button so you are So you get to be notified when I drop new videos, new updates, new information regarding how you can make money online, free funded accounts, profit accounts, and forex no deposit bonus. See you in my next video. Bye.